Animal OC challenge.
If you're a girl, add cat ears and a tail.
If you're a boy, add dog ears and a tail. If you identify as anything else, put bunny ears in a tail.
If you're the oldest or the only child, add hazel eyes. If you're the middle child, add blue eyes. If you're the youngest, add green eyes.
If you have long hair, add whiskers. If you have medium length hair, add freckles. If you have short hair, add a nose. The rest is up to you.